Hello my dear little ones. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine, safe and doing well at your home, right? Welcome back to English class. Children, have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes? Yes. Do you like to see a rainbow? Yes, I am very sure that all of you must have seen a rainbow, right? So, where you can see the rainbow, children? Yes, we can see the rainbow in the sky. Now, you must be knowing that rainbow has 7 colors. How many colors the rainbow has? Yes, the rainbow has 7 colors. Which are the 7 colors? Can you see? Yes. Now you can see in the picture. You can see the 7 colors in the picture. Can you see? Yes. So the 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the 7 colors of the rainbow. So today I will tell you a story. Okay, the name of our story is Anandi's Rainbow. So what is the name of our story, children? Anandi's Rainbow. So let us move on to our story. So children, take your English textbook and open the page number 103. So let us start our story. The name of our story is Anandi's Rainbow. It was raining outside. Anandi was fast asleep dreaming of rainbows. So it was raining outside. Outside it was raining and Anandi was sleeping and she saw a rainbow in her dream. She was dreaming of rainbows. She woke up to look out of a window. So after that she woke up and she looked out of a window. There was a huge bright rainbow across a clear blue sky. When she woke up, she looked out of a window and she saw a huge bright rainbow in the sky. Anandi ran out to the garden with Millie, her favorite cat. So what happened next? Anandi ran out to the garden. Ran means the past form of run is ran. So Anandi ran out to the garden with her favorite cat. She had a cat and the name of the cat is Millie. What is the name of the cat? Yes, the name of the cat is Millie. Anandi loved to draw and paint. And Anandi was a girl. She loved to draw and Anandi loved to draw and paint. Today, she wanted to paint the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So, the girl Anandi loved to draw and paint. So, today she wanted to color the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So, she ran to the garden. She was a girl who loved coloring. So, she wanted to color the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So, we have already seen the colors of the rainbow. How many colors the rainbow has, children? Yes, the rainbow has 7 colors. So, Anandi wanted to color the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So, she ran to the garden. She colored one flower with the violet and another with the indigo of the rainbow. So, Anandi started coloring the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So, she colored one flower with the violet and the other flower with the indigo. Likewise, she started coloring the all flowers. One with the blue and leaves with the green, one with the orange, one with the red. So, likewise, she took the colors from the rainbow and she started coloring the flowers. Anandi colored all the flowers and leaves with the rainbow colors. Now we can look what happened next. But she left the yellow so that the sun may look bright and gay. And lo, there were beautiful flowers all over the garden. the sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. Then children, what did she do? Yes, she left the yellow color. She didn't paint any flower with yellow color. Why? Because she knew that the color of the sun is, what is the color of the sun, children? Yes, the color of the sun is yellow. So she left the yellow color. She didn't paint any flower with yellow color. She knew that the color of the sun is yellow. So she colored the sun with yellow color so that the sun may look bright and gay. Gay means what? Happy. Okay. And low means look. There were beautiful flowers all over the garden. There were beautiful flowers all over the garden. And the sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. Sun was up there. Where you can see the sun, children? Yes, you can see sun in the sky. So sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. The flowers were looking very beautiful when she colored the flowers with rainbow colors. Okay, and the sun was shining in the sky in its yellow glory. Then what happened? After giving colors to the flowers and the sun, the rainbow was gone. So after coloring the flowers and sun with the rainbow colors, the rainbow was gone. So this was our story. I hope you like this story. So my dear children, you have to read the story. Okay. So let us move on to the summary of the story. This story is about a girl named Anandi. One day Anandi was sleeping and dreaming of rainbow. When she woke up, she saw a rainbow in the sky. So she was very excited. So she ran out and thought to paint the flowers of her garden with rainbow colors. She actually painted all the colors except yellow. She left the yellow color for the sun. The rainbow had gone when she finished the painting. Now the garden looks extremely very beautiful and with colorful flowers. Okay, so this is our story. So my dear children, you have to read the story at least for 3 times and you have to develop your reading practice. Okay, so take care children. Bye. See you soon.